Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll cover simple greetings, how to introduce yourself, and some easy questions you can ask when meeting new people. Let's get started! Section 1. Basic Greetings. Let's begin with some basic greetings. These are the words you'll use to say hello or start a conversation with someone. Here are a few common ones. First one. Hello. This is the most common greeting and can be used anytime, no matter the time of day. Example, hello. How are you today? Second one. Hi. A more casual, friendly greeting. It's perfect for friends and people you know well. Example, hi, I'm Shasha. Third one. Good morning. Use this greeting in the morning, typically before 12 o'clock p.m. Example, good morning. Did you sleep well? Last one. Good evening. Use this greeting after 5 o'clock p.m. when the day starts to turn into night. Example, good evening. How was your day? Let's practice these greetings together. I'll say one, and I want you to repeat after me. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Great job. Section 2. Self-introduction phrases. Now that you know how to greet someone, let's move on to introducing yourself. Self-introduction is one of the first things you'll need to do when meeting new people. Here are a couple of important phrases. First one. My name is. Example, my name is John. Second one. I am from. Example, I am from Brazil. So when you meet someone for the first time, you might say, hi, my name is Emma. I am from Australia. These phrases are easy to remember and very useful. Let's practice them now. Now it's your turn to practice. I'll say a sentence, and you can repeat after me. My name is. Again. My name is. Another one. I am from. Again. I am from. Great job! For example, my name is Lisa. I am from Canada. Easy, right? Section 3. Simple questions to ask. Now let's look at a few simple questions you can ask when meeting someone new. These questions will help you get to know the other person. First one. How are you? This is a common question to ask someone about their well-being. Second one. Where are you from? This question asks about a person's country or city. Last one. What's your name? This is a direct way to ask someone for their name. These questions are very simple, but they help you start a conversation and get to know someone better. Let's look at some example answers. If someone asks, how are you? You can say, I'm good, thank you. Another. If someone asks, where are you from? You can say, I am from Mexico. Last. If someone asks, what's your name? You can say, my name is Mark. Let's practice asking these questions together. I'll say them, and you repeat after me. How are you? How are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? What's your name? What's your name? Great job! Keep practicing these questions, and soon you'll feel confident asking them in real conversations. Section 4. Pronunciation Tips for Common Greetings. Next, let's talk about pronunciation. It's important to pronounce greetings clearly so people can understand you. I'll give you some tips for saying these words correctly. First one, hello. Pronounce it as hello. Make sure the second part, low, is stressed. Hello. Second one, hi. A short word pronounced like hi. Third one, good morning. Pronounce it as good morning. Stress the second syllable of morning. Last one, good evening. Pronounce it as good evening. Stress the first part of evening. Listen carefully and try to match the rhythm and stress of the words. Okay, everyone. That's all for today's lesson on basic greetings and self-introduction. Now you know how to greet someone, introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and pronounce these words correctly. Practice these phrases every day, and soon they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more English lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.